one of the premier pieces of agriculture information and literature released only every 5 years. USDA's Census of Agriculture.
The 2022 Census of Agriculture, there is a tremendous amount of data. There's over 6 million data points that get released at that initial release time. But there's a lot of information that can be summarized in many different ways.
And Brian Combs of the National Agricultural Statistics Service says those summaries are presented not just as data sets, but in several cases as standalone reports based on census survey information.
We have the market value of ag products rankings, we have state and county profiles, congressional district profiles and rankings, and the race, ethnicity, and gender profiles.
The month of July saw NASS releases of census-oriented reports focused on data collected on the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico.
Their average farm size was at 65 cuerdas in 2022, and that was up from 59.3 cuerdas in 2018.
As well as the publishing of Census of Ag statistics associated with watersheds.
The watershed publication just provides yet another way for the AgCensus data users to examine and compare AgCensus data.
Among the additional reports on surveys connected to the Census of Agriculture, scheduled for release throughout the remainder of the year,
we're going to be having the American Indian Reservations report that will be released on August the 29th. We have AgCensus web maps that are scheduled to be available September the 10th. The specialty crops publication will be available on October the 17th. And we will have a zip code tabulation available on November the 7th. We do have a couple of our special studies that will also be released later this year. So the 2023 Irrigation and Water Management Survey will be available on October the 31st. And then the 2023 Census of Aquaculture will be available on December the 16th.
2022 Census of Agriculture data and reports are available online at www.nass.usda.gov/AgCensus, all one word. I'm Rod Bain reporting for the U.S. Department of Agriculture in Washington, D.C.